We keep exploring a better interactive pattern between human and machine and promoting the intellectualization of manufacturing in our lives to take people towards M-Eco, a new era of human-machine partnerships. All appliances, intellectually connected as one, and constantly intercommunicating to think ahead of you. Optimizing the interaction between human and home appliances. AI proactively reading your minds without setup nor instructions. From mass production to personalization of products, seamless connections are established between users and manufacturing. Midea Internet of Things is driving the digitization and intellectualization in manufacturing. With AI big data and cloud computing, it optimizes man-machine partnership in the production processes. Midea empowers production and energizes lives with technology, allowing us to focus more on the happiness of lives and innovations of higher value. Midea.